Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Jeep Cherokee's transmission fluid. First, understand why this routine is so important for your vehicle's health. Regularly checking your transmission fluid can save you from expensive repairs down the road. Low fluid levels can lead to poor shifting and even permanent damage, so let's make sure your Jeep runs smoothly. Before you begin, park your Jeep on a completely level surface to get an accurate reading. Next, you'll need to warm up the engine to its normal operating temperature, which usually takes about 15 minutes of driving. Once warm, locate the transmission dipstick, typically found near the back of the engine compartment, often with a yellow or red handle. Now carefully remove the dipstick and wipe it completely clean with a lint-free cloth. Reinsert the dipstick fully into its tube, ensuring it's seated all the way down. Pull it out again and observe the fluid level. It should fall between the hot or full marks. Also, check the fluid's color. It should be reddish and clear, not dark brown or black. If your fluid is low, add the recommended type of transmission fluid slowly, using a funnel, checking the level frequently. Avoid overfilling, as this can also cause issues. Always consult your owner's manual for the correct fluid specification. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh and running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.